Hello, Abiola David is my name. Welcome to my Excel lecture video. In this lecture video, we want to create a user interface for sales transaction data in VBA. Let's get started. Now, I'm going to press Alt F11 to open my VBA, then come to Insert, and I want to add an user form. So this is my user form 1. So I'm going to expand it. Okay. So the first thing I want to do is to just grab a frame. So this frame is going to be where we're going to put in our name. So for the frame, I'm going to remove the caption, then come and grab my label. So for my label, I'm just going to draw a label here. So the caption is going to be um, sales transaction data. Enter. Then I'm going to come to font. So for the font, I'm going to allow it to be in Tahoma bold. Let's just use 26. Okay, I think this is fine. Then let's come to text alignment. So I want to align it to the very center. Alright, I think we are fine. So the next thing is to grab another frame. So I actually need just 2 more frame. Okay, let me just do only one anyway. Then for the second frame, I'm going to delete the caption. Then just click on the user form. So for my user form, I'm going to just rename it, call it Excel Jet Consult. Oh, excuse me, sorry. In the caption, Excel Jet Consult. Enter. So in my second frame, I'm going to just grab in some labels, and let's put in some labels here. So for my first label, so I'm going to call this one order ID. So grab everything, just right click, and let's go to property. Okay, we have the property here. So, and I'm going to come to Tahoma. Let's make it to be bold, and let's use 12 size 12. And for text alignment, I want to actually um, make it to be in the very middle, so I can just make some adjustments. Alright, I think this is too okay like this. Alright, so I'm going to just copy this, and I will need it. Okay, Ctrl V, let's paste as much as possible. So let's position some here. Let's position some here also. Okay, let's position another one here. Okay, I'm just going to edit it, so that's going to make my life very easier. Okay, just position another one here. Okay, let's have some around here. Excuse me. Okay, alright, it's going to be a long video, most likely. Okay, let me just put in some more. Alright, so separate this. Okay, this is the last one we are doing. Alright, then I'm going to put this one here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just select all of them together, right click, and come to alignment. I want to align them to be in the very center. Okay, so let's do the same thing for this. Excuse me. Select all of them, right click, and let's align them in the very center. Okay, alright, so this is for my order ID, and I'm going to just rename this. I'm going to call this one order date. The next one I'm going to call customer name. The next one I'm going to call customer address. So the next one I'm going to call it state. after state, I'm going to call this one customer type. So let's see this one. Let's name it product name. Let's just use product. Alright, so I'm going to call this one, I'm going to call it price or product. So I'm going to call this one units. I'm going to call this, what would I call it? Let's call it subtotal. Then I'm going to call this one shipping costs. Shipping, okay, shipping cost. I hope my English is correct. And I'm going to call this one total. So I think we are getting somewhere. Now I'm going to just come back to my toolbox and let's grab some text boxes. I'm going to just put in some text boxes here. Now this is going to be a text box. So I'm going to just copy this, Control C, Control V. Alright. Okay, I think it's well positioned. Then for my customer name, okay, I'm going to use the same text box. Control V again. Alright. However, I want my state to be a drop down, so I'm going to use a combo box rather. So I'm going to just drop a combo box here. Alright, so it's going to be a drop down, and I actually want the same thing for my customer type. So I'm going to just duplicate that. Alright, then let's come to this place. I'm going to use the same thing, combo box. And for my price, let's use combo box also, so that we're going to have a fixed price that we can select from easily. For my unit, okay, let's use the same combo box. Alright, and for my subtotal, I think we're going to just use an ordinary label. Alright, let's just grab this. I'm going to paste it here. However, I'm going to do something funny to this. I'm going to delete all this, and let's come to, that's going to be label number 16. Okay, let's use a color. Okay, let's make it white. Shipping cost, okay, let's just use an ordinary, okay, let's use combo box also. Alright, and of course our total, I'm going to just use the same thing like I did for my subtotal. It's going to be a label. So I think we are almost through. So the next thing I actually want to do is to, get my command buttons here. So I'm going to just drop some command buttons. So I'm going to call this one total. Alright, so I'm changing the caption total. So let's quickly add some formatting. So for my formatting, let's make it a bold. Let's add 14. Okay, then I'm going to Control C and Control V. Excuse me. I'm going to copy it. Control C, Control V. Subtotal. So I'm going to call this one, clear. Okay, Control V again. Okay, let's call this, exit. Alright, so let's just, position them. Put this one here. It's not necessary. So let's put this one here. So I'm going to grab the three, come to alignment, and we actually want to center them in the, excuse me, right click, come to properties. Okay, we want to center them in the very middle. Alright, so let's grab them down. Okay, Now let's just add some little touch to our frames. So I'm going to come to back color. Let's use an interesting back color. Alright, escape. Now for all these, for my labels, let's find some interesting back colors. Let's go to our palette. Okay, let's choose something okay like this. So I'm going to select all these, then let's repeat the same color that we used, and let's come to this section, and let's come to palette, excuse me, come to palette, and we'll do the same thing for all my command buttons. Palette. Now I think I'm going to just grab all these together, and let's quickly come to font. Let's make the text in there to be bold also. I think let's use 14. Okay, let's do the same thing. Let's come to fonts, and let's use 14 also. Okay, I think we are through. Then I'm going to press escape. Now let's run this useful. Can you see we've created a very nice sales transaction data in useful, but you discover that there are nothing here yet. Okay, so we need to actually put in some codes behind, so watch out in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this. Okay, let me just change this color. Okay, let's go back. Okay, let me just exit. Let's change it. I think I'm going to prefer another color. Let's choose the red. Okay, escape, run this. Okay, now I think this is fine. So watch out in the next video how we go ahead and run some codes behind. Alright, thank you for watching my video. Bye for now.